Good afternoon. This is Akili Omari, CEO and President of Fortress Network. I just wanted to get a quick message out to you because guess what today is? Today is my favorite day in Fortress every single month, and that is Commissions Day. A lot of qualified Fortress members will be receiving their commissions today. I'm sending this message out to you because I want to help you become qualified. I will personally work with you or talk to your recruits or anyone that you have in mind that you think would be like-minded that could benefit from this opportunity. So if you're not qualified yet, this is the time to do it because right now things are happening behind the scenes in our economy that you can't see. People are losing their jobs, their pensions, their savings, all sorts of things are happening. And there's even talk about the currency being unstable and things like that. So what you have to do right now is accumulate as much money as you can so that you can invest into different things, whether it be gold, different stocks, or whatever it is. But you can't do any of that until you start earning extra money. So Fortress is put in place so that you can do just that. At only $10 a month, this is something anybody can do. So when you talk to your friends and family and they're a little skeptical, don't worry about it. Just, keep, pressing them on it. Not to be too overbearing, but let them know that, hey, this is real. And if they need to talk to me or any of the other leaders, they can do that. And you know what? If it didn't work out for them after, a few months, they can just stop doing it. And what are you out of? $10 or $20? No big deal. But people need to take this serious because people are making money. And as I stated, we are about to send out the commissions right now. So between today and the 5th, everyone will have received their commissions as long as they're qualified. So as I stated in the beginning, I don't want to take up a lot of your time, but I did want to send this message out to you so that you know that this is real. And as long as you get qualified every single month, you're going to receive commissions. So thank you for listening and have a blessed day.